In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save estimate templates in Stack. This process can streamline your workflow and ensure that your commonly used templates are always at your fingertips. So let's dive into it. First, you'll need to access Stack. If you haven't logged in yet, head over to the Stack login page. It's important you remember your credentials, but if you've linked your account with Google, the process is even more straightforward. Simply click on the Login with Google button to proceed. Doing so will bring you to the Google Account Chooser where you can select the account you'd like to use. Once you've successfully logged in, it's time to locate your project. Navigating to your project is simple. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of Stack. Here you should see a list of your current projects. Click on the specific project you're planning to work on today. Now with the project open, look for the section labeled Plans and Takeoffs. This is where the magic happens. Under Plans and Takeoffs, you'll see a variety of components related to your project. Let's say you want to reuse a brick takeoff that you've previously set up. To do this, locate that particular takeoff on your list. Just beside the name or description, you'll usually find a set of three dots, commonly referred to as the Options menu. Click on these three dots. A drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, select the option that says Add to Library. By adding the takeoff to your library, you can reuse it across different projects, which saves you the hassle of starting from scratch every time. After clicking Add to Library, a new window will pop up asking you where you would like to save this template. Stack offers you a few options, typically including your company library. In this example, let's go ahead and choose the company library. This option is ideal because it allows everyone in your organization to access the template, ensuring uniformity and consistency across various projects. Once you've selected the appropriate library, confirm your choice. You'll usually receive a confirmation message letting you know that your template has been saved successfully. And that's it! You've now added your estimate template to the library, making it easily accessible for future projects. By following these steps, you can make your workflow more efficient and ensure that your team has quick access to important templates. Remember, saving templates doesn't just save time, it enhances productivity and ensures consistency. Thank you for tuning in, and happy estimating.